Now I'm thinking it's a short very quickly. They came down to an inflection point, and the price of oil has come in a whole lot. It was up at 130 a few weeks ago. Now it's pulled into that 100 area. It's finding a little bit of support. So I was thinking we bounce because nothing's greatly changed in the macro environment with the gas and obviously the situation of Russia and people not buying Russian oil and things like that. Yes, the U.S. is going to release some reserves, but nothing's greatly changed within that environment. So my thinking was we see those bounce because everyone's thinking oil's topped and things like that when really nothing has greatly changed. But thoughts and ideas are always great, but price action tells all, and we're seeing crude oil sell off once again. So it's looking like I was wrong in that regard, and that oil is ready to come in some more.